Welcome to Telematics Canada. Our Series HB is ready to take on most any job, temporary or permanent, indoors or outdoors, day or night or 24/7, and for a cost that might just be the very best executive appointment you've ever made. The HB will be a super dependable member of your team, and never need a break, just when you need it most. In this video, we are viewing a 10-foot tall Series HB in a 2.9 pixel, with NationStar 1515 copper lamps, undergoing final factory testing before delivery. All Desay panels are built to impress, and built to last. Desay fully supports their products with a very comprehensive 2-year factory warranty, which may be extended to 5 years for a modest surcharge. Give us a call at your convenience, and let's spend some time reviewing your project. We can promise you will be glad you did.